Hello viewers, welcome to my physics class again. Today I want to solve the question I posted on my Facebook page. I saw so many solutions given to it, and some got it correctly, while some they made a little mistake. The question here is still under linear motion, but this force is what they required. We are to calculate the force, and let's read the question quickly. What force is required to cause a body of mass 10 kg to accelerate uniformly from rest across a smooth surface to a velocity of 50 meters per second in 10 seconds? Like I said, when you are solving physics, what you need is to bring out the parameters. The parameters that are involved in this question are number one, we are to calculate force. F is unknown. It's required to cause a body of mass. We are given mass, that is M is given to be 10 kilogram. If it is not in kilogram, try to convert it to kilogram. To accelerate uniformly from rest, here from rest, I said it that if a body starts from rest, our U must be equal to 0. Our U must be equal to 0. Across a smooth surface to a velocity of 50 meters per second. That means if our U, which is initial velocity, is given to be 0, this will be our final velocity. Our V is equal to 50 meters per second. Our time is also given, T is equal to 10 seconds. Now, to get our force, don't forget we have so many formulae we can use to calculate our force. If we are to use F, is equal to MA. Our M is given, but A is not given. Therefore, let's add A to this question. A is unknown. Among the 4 equations of Newton, which can we use to generate our A is the question we should ask ourselves. You agree with me that if I use this, I am right. That is, if I use V is equal to U plus AT, I can use this formula to calculate my A. My V is given to be 50, my U is 0, my T is 10. I will use this to calculate my A, then substitute for A here. Then I can now have my 50 from equation 2. Let this be equation 2. From equation 2, I can have 50 equal to 0, that's my U, and my A is unknown, plus A. So A is unknown times my T, which is 10. And I'll have 50 is equal to 10A. And when you calculate for A, divide both sides by 10, I will have A equal to 50 divided by 10. And this will be equal to 5 meters per second square. This is my acceleration. Now substitute acceleration to this equation 1. I will now have my F to be equal to LA, which is equal to M is given as 10 times my A, which is 5, and the axis is equal to 50 Newton. So the unit for force is Newton. That is the solution to this question. Thanks so much, and expect more questions from physics, as I will be posting those questions on my Facebook page. If you have not joined the page, you can easily search for it at Akanle, or you can easily search for mathematics slash statistics and physics slash chemistry. By Akanle Isaac, formula mass. So this can easily take you to my Facebook page. But if you are going to my YouTube page, you can easily type this Akanle Isaac formula to search for my videos on my YouTube page. But if you are on TikTok, kindly search for at formula 631. This is my TikTok page, and also from my TikTok you will get the link to other websites I'm using. Thanks so much. I love you all.